Hey there, news enthusiasts. Let's dive into a story that's making waves in Zimbabwe. E.D. Mnangagwa's house in Helensville was the scene of some serious drama on July 6th. According to Zim Live, gunfire erupted when thieves tried to break in. But here's where it gets interesting. This is the third time in just 2 weeks that the Mnangagwa family has been targeted. First, we had an apparent break-in attempt at the home of E.D.'s son, David Mnangagwa, who happens to be the Deputy Finance Minister, and then another incident at the office of E.D.'s nephew, Tongai Mnangagwa, the Deputy Tourism Minister. That's 3 incidents, folks. So what's going on here? Police believe the gang was after construction equipment stored at the house. They found an armored cable and a copper pipe that the thieves left behind. But here's the kicker. The house is still under construction. Now here's where things get even more speculative. No arrests have been made in any of these incidents. That's right, none. This has led to all sorts of theories and speculation. Some are even suggesting that these robberies might be staged. Could they be part of a political strategy to garner sympathy for the first family? It's a juicy twist that adds a whole new layer to this story. What do you think? Are these real robbery attempts, or is there a political drama unfolding right before our eyes? For more updates and in-depth analysis, make sure to follow Pindala News Channel. You can find the link in the description. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss what's coming next. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning. Catch you in the next video.